Look at Aiden eating those eggs. You like eggs? Huh? You like those eggs? Here's another bite. Ooh, yeah. Shovel it in. Yum, yum. Connor, what do you think about the eggs? Huh? What do you think? Here, bite. Not as enthusiastic as your brother, huh? Is that good stuff? You want some more toast? Hmm? You want some more toast with your eggs? Mmm. Oh, Connor, you gonna get into the spirit of it? Yeah? Yay, eggs! Can you clap your hands? Huh? Can you clap your hands, Aiden? Say yay, eggs! Too busy? Are you too busy? Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.